Welcome back to Math Adventures. Today, we're diving into the wild world of polar coordinates and pedal equations.
You might be thinking, what on earth is a pedal equation? Well, buckle up, because we're about to find out.
Imagine you're on a roller coaster, but instead of loops and drops, you're dealing with curves and tangents. Our curve today is L over R equals 1 plus e cos theta. Sounds like a mouthful, right? Don't worry. Find the pedal equation of the curve.
The curve is given in polar form.
For a polar curve, the pedal length p, distance from the origin to the foot of the perpendicular from the origin onto the tangent, satisfies. From the original polar equation, insert this cos theta into the denominator of p squared.
Multiply both sides by the denominator and replace r by the polar radius variable, or keep r as the original radial distance.
Finally, solving for the relation between p and r. This is the pedal equation of the curve L over R equals 1 plus e cos theta.